Okay.
Hello students and welcome back. Hope you are very well and doing your given task obey the order of your parents, teachers and elders. As in these situations, we are going to connect you through these different sources. Like 21st century, we know about that. The century is known as the technology, science and technology. So why not take the benefit of science and technology? For that concept, we are here to facilitate or give such knowledge or help you regarding that. Class 5th, subject English. I am Ajaz Khan. We are here to provide such facilities, knowledge, understanding, development about language, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. These 4 skills we are going to learn, and I am here to give such facilities to develop your overall knowledge. Hope you people will learn every day something from this video and from my side. As English, we know about the last point. Now just move forward. I just show you some clips. Let's go through the clips. See, what is this girl doing? What is the girl doing is here? A girl is sitting and throwing the waste. What she's doing? She's doing the something the wasting. What are the papers, scraps, doing some material, doing something and throwing in that dustbin. Fine? And what happened actually? Something is standing in the dustbin. And what the picture is here? Second, what are these? Paper baskets, some paper cutting and we will drawing, okay? A basket and a piece of art made of waste paper. Made of waste paper. Next, cloth. Again, wastage. These are the cloth and here we are showing a picture of wastage. I'm just giving the introduction. Again, do you know what are these things made of? See here, these doormats, these are the doormats. In front of door when we enter, or in front of door we know these doormats and hair bands. These are the hair bands are made of waste piece of cloth. See here, in previous picture, what do you know? The piece of cloth, and next we know some doormats. We know some doormats. Now see. Again something is here. Sticks, paper, frame, photo frame is here. What is that? Photo frame is here. Broomsticks. You know broomsticks? When you are sweeping something, broom is not working. So what happens? That stick you just place and make the flowers. These are the broomsticks and we make the flowers. Again paper sticks. And then it will give shape for the dandiya. Same thing, before that a paper stick is there, roll it, whatever the paper is there, and it will be up to this time and later on we make a design paper. The best thing, you know, coconut. The coconut is there. The coconut will be used for purpose of sweet or any purpose of carry any purpose is there. The best thing you will just throw it. So what happens if you want to make a use, it is a multiple use. For kitchen purpose, for any purpose, but for decoration, what happens? We make the nest. See the nest. And for the mud or clay, we make small birds. What it shows? It shows how we can use the best thing in our life. Same time here. You know, the last season is our summer season. We eat kulfi. We had kulfi, ice cream, lot of things. So that the stick is remaining. We eat that particular thing, and now the sticks are remaining. So what we made, with the help of that stick, we make blood cards. Wastage of paper, you know, notebooks. Your notebook hard cover is there. The cartoon is there. That may be a floor. Then bottom floor. This stick will make. And sometimes, you know, in your house, there is some type of top, bottle top is there. That make, or anything is there. So we can that make the wheels. And the time of raining, that block is there. So we make this block with the help of clay and it is given the shape of block cards. What shape we are giving? Here we given a shape of beloved. See how beautiful we done. What is photo frame, papers. By that we use such things. Paper box, pen box, different type of pen box we use. So these all material, nothing but this material we use from the waste. Whatever the waste material available surrounding a classroom, in a school, in house, somewhere you find out what we need. We need a critical thinking. What we need? We need a critical thinking. By that we can make these such things. Who made? Human beings only. In who stage? Human beings. See, somebody having a thought in his mind, whatever the paper, whatever the piece of cloth I have, for that what I made these particular things. I made these particular things, the paper cloth. Okay? So this paper cloth, what is one? We made a doormat and our brand are made. So these are the complete things we made. Only the thing is that we have to use that particular things and convert into useful. If you are thinking that these particular things are waste, now it's your critical thinking, analyze on that particular waste and convert into useful item. So it will be beneficial and people will also appreciate you. The people will appreciate your understanding. The people will appreciate your knowledge. Really, the person utilizes critical thing and using this knowledge. Okay? So now you guess what is the next lesson? What is the name of next lesson? Yes, anybody there? Guess the next lesson? What is the name of the next lesson? To which we are going to revise from 5th standard English lesson, unit number 1, second lesson. The name of lesson is Wonderful Waste. What is that? Wonderful waste. This lesson we are going to deal just particular revision. Based on that, whatever the links we sent to you in the holidays, again this time we take a revise to knowing the such important things. What are the things we made new? We added in this video. Let us read the story. Let us read the story. What is there? So, my dear students, I request to all of you, when you are going to start new lesson, new poem, new type of grammar topic, so it's my request all of you be ready with textbook, pencil, pen, notebook, dictionary, whatever the sources do you have at your home, at your surrounding, keep with you. Because we need sometimes special things. I knew what is there, something there. So once the teacher is with you through that video, so it's your duty to all the necessary things keep aside and start to read or listen and understand the topic. Now see here, in that lesson, waste can be quite useful. Waste can be quite useful. Find out for yourself from this story. If somebody say, if in the age, your age hardly 10 years, 11 years or 12 years old. In this age, if I say these broomsticks, what sweeping the broomstick is there, is not useful. So you say, yes sir, it is not useful. If I say the waste of coconut is not useful, you are completely say, yes sir. The sticks, everything what you say is not useful. Correct. But sometimes if I say no, all the things are useful and very important. Useful and important. We need that things. Then I show that particular item, articles. Then your mind is ready to accept, yes, whatever the waste material available surrounding me, it is something very useful. And it's my duty to make it utilized. Utilize it. So here, there is a concept that waste can be quite useful. Okay? Find out for yourself from this story. Now you can find out what the actual story is there, what the story will tell to us, and what type of things is there. See, once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his place. See here the one, what is there? Travancore, a name of capital. The name of capital. Actually, this Maharaja belongs to India. In India, there is a south direction, south side. In south, there is a one state, Kerala. What is that? Kerala. So we are talking about the history of Kerala. The Maharaj is belongs to the Kerala, and the name of capital is Travancore. The name of capital is Travancore. This capital now is called Trivandrum. What do you call? Trivandrum. Trivandrum. Actually, it is a old name of that Trivandrum, which is the capital of Kerala. And previously, when the time the kings, queens ruled over in India, that time is the name of Travancore. So what is it? Once upon a time, there is a Maharaja, king. We use the word Indian version Hindi. Actually, the version is king of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Then see what happened? See the Maharaja of Travancore. Some imaginary pictures we find out. Actually, in your textbook, you find out simply an imaginary photos. Imaginary photos about Maharaja and a cook. Let me explain one thing is very important. This lesson is dealing with the two characters. One is a very dominant character, powerful character, that is a Maharaja, king of Travancore. That is the king of Travancore. These are complete story about the Travancore. This lesson is divided into two parts. The first part completely deal with the Maharaja, about the king. The second part, the activity, the knowledge, the creativity about cook. So how many characters are there in this lesson? In this lesson there are two characters. One is king, second is cook. One is king, second is cook. The first part deal with the Maharaja and the king. What things he observed, inspection, survey, order, command to his firm. Second part deal with that cook. Okay, so here the photo of Maharaja Travancore. Now palace, imagine, see this palace. So what happened? One the Maharaja Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. So picture of image of Maharaja, same time image of Travancore. Next. Travancore is a state of Kerala. See, capital is complete state. And in that Kerala is there. Find out. Suppose if people are quite confused, you don't exactly say, yes, we know India map, but in India, where is the Kerala located? So for particular reason, I show you the complete map of India. In that, the state of Kerala, see the Kerala here. Travancore is the state of Kerala. Now see here, in the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dish that had been prepared for the feast. See, this is the imaginary photo about Maharaja. What is he doing? He is doing entering. What is he doing? Entering. Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dish that had been prepared for the feast. Two words is there. Survey. The word survey says that inspection, to knowing what things are going properly or not. Second word, feast. Feast means a party, a grand party where the guests will come and we serve the food. So this is the first paragraph as well as introduction about our lesson, Wonderful West. What do you learn in this lesson? Some things are, even though are wasted, we have to use our critical thinking on that material and convert it into useful thing. Second thing, we know the Travancore, Trivandrum, the part of Kerala, and there is a king. What he did? He wants to give a feast. He ordered a grand dinner in his palace. For that, he arranged something. Before that, on that day, particular evening, there is the grand dinner is there. Before that, he entered the kitchen and served the dishes. Later, the explanation about the story we'll see in next video. Till then, I am thinking you are doing your well. Okay. Till then, read the text, take the knowledge, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.